Right, Provident funds and the annuitisation of the lump sums paid out by Provident funds. Going back a few years, Treasury standardised the tax rules between Provident funds, pension funds and retirement annuities, which meant that the intention was that whereas in the past, on retirement, the Provident fund would pay out a single lump sum, it would mean that they would move to the rules for pension funds and retirement annuities, and 1/3 would be paid out as a lump sum and 2/3 would be paid out in monthly payments, annuity payments. Now, that was objected to by Labour at a late stage. It was postponed to March 2019, and it has to go up for discussion again during this year, where the Minister of Finance has to plot a way forward that is satisfactory for Labour as well as for business, and he has to do that in Parliament before the end of August of this year. Now, just to illustrate a little bit of the difficulties around this one, if the Provident Fund payout, which is tax-free as a lump sum, if it's paid out as an annuity income, that would be taxable remuneration, and people who've retired and who are in receipt of old age grants, that retirement income, monthly income, could push them above the thresholds for the old age grants. So this is of concern and was one of the big reasons why this whole process has been postponed so many times. So the address by the Minister of Finance at the end of August must take into account what they plan to do with Social Security. And we've been waiting for 2 or 3 years for the Social Security paper to be released, which would give us guidance as to what they plan. And one can only assume that because of the Minister of Finance's deadline for the end of August, that we'll see the Social Security paper being released prior to that, which will give us an idea of how they are going to move forward from here.